What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Samuel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another workout. Today we have a quick 5-minute workout that you guys can see right here. If you guys want to follow along and get a little bit ahead. If not, you guys can follow along with me. We're going to be doing the workouts for 40 seconds with a 20-second rest in between. Without any further ado, let's get straight into this workout. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn on your post notifications. Let's go. you guys enjoyed that video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. As you guys can see, this workout is pretty tough to begin this workout, but it does get you sweaty, get your blood pumping. So try to keep your guys' heart rate up, keep your guys' abs on fire. Watch this video as many times as you need to get it in. Send it to a friend, share it with a friend, share it with a family member. Tell them health is wealth, health is important. To get in shape, and get in shape now. Thank you guys again for tuning in to another video. I'll see you guys on the next one.